I asked them, who are the individuals you're catching? Yeah, they're from Central America. But you know who else? Iran, Yemen.
Open borders and criminal illegal immigrants in our communities.
A caravan of illegal immigrants marching on America. Over 7,000 strong, the caravan is full of gang members and criminals.
Back's radical backers support open borders and abolishing ICE, leaving us defenseless against the surge of illegal immigrants.
Axne would vote with Nancy Pelosi for open borders and amnesty, bringing more crime and drugs into our neighborhoods.
Fulton put West Michigan families at risk, pushing to make Kent County a sanctuary jurisdiction, even for criminals.
To weaken our border, allowing dangerous criminals to flood into Texas.
He voted to protect illegal immigrant gang members.
Criminal illegal immigrants could go undetected, hiding behind Mitch Bush in the sanctuary city she supports. Mitch Bush said she absolutely supports allowing cities to provide safe haven for illegals.
My point is this. The Biden administration has been releasing immigrants in South Texas that have been exposing Texans to COVID.
Because they're children today, but they could easily be terrorists tomorrow.
There are super spreader caravans coming across our southern border. I think it's an interesting misplaced priority that the Biden administration's agenda is to open America's borders and close America's schools.